Got a humble check for you. I don't think you're as dope as you think you are. It's
Uh-oh.
not me hating. That's just being realistic because I'm not as dope as I may think I am too. Follow me. What's the one thing that we have been watching as these kings and chronicles have been falling one after another? At some point, pride, prestige, power, feeling themselves, thinking highly of themselves is ultimately what got them to fall. Thinking they were better than they were, better off than they were, thinking they were so established and grounded that they didn't really need the law of God, his ways, his standards to do life. And you may not be a king of a land, king of a country, king of a town, maybe a king of a home, whatever it could be. I just want you to consider what ways has pride slid into your life? In what ways has selfishness started to really take over in your thinking? In what ways are you thinking that you're really better off than you truly are? That makes you feel so comfortable that you really don't have to do things the way God sees fit.
Because in the end, you're good. You'll figure it out because you just got it like that.
If we look at these kings and how they've fallen, it was through similar mindsets such as that. Maybe you think you're so well and great that you don't need accountability. Think again. Maybe you're so dope and so smart that you don't need to continue to study, continue to learn, and continue to do life as a student. Think again. Maybe you think you know God well enough. You don't have to keep reading, keep studying, continue submitting your life daily to what God is calling you to. Think again. These are the very mindsets among so many others that have gotten even leaders today, y'all, to fall from grace in very tragic ways. There's so much to take from these experiences, these readings, and what we see in the text. Let's not overlook it. Let's actually find some applicability to use it in our lives and not overlook Old Testament texts like these that we're going through, simply thinking it doesn't apply to us because it's the Old Testament. Come on, y'all. Come on. Let's just do better. Just something to consider. As always, go with God.